Welcome to the GoalZero Toolbox Talk series. Today's Toolbox Talk: Welding Safety. Use the right welding setup. Avoid excessive current and long welding cycles as they generate more fumes. Optimize shielding gas to reduce the fume. Avoid working in confined spaces or poorly ventilated areas. Choose a good weld position, avoid crouching. Use turntables or other devices to move the workpiece to keep the fume away from your face. Use electrodes that create less fumes. Remove coatings such as rust treatments, paints, and solvent residue before welding. Using local exhaust ventilation, LEV. LEV is an effective control that sucks the fume away at its source. The hood should be positioned as close as possible to the source, ideally less than 1 hood length away, and do not stand between the hood and the fume. Portable high-flow fume extractors can help remove fume when welding in tight corners, and the reduced size still allows you to see what you are doing. Check LEV for faults. It is only effective when well maintained. Less hazardous welding can be done outside or in a well-ventilated area. Using respiratory protection. Check safe operating procedures to see what RPE and PPE, personal protective equipment, you need for the task. Some types of RPE require a tight seal around your face to be effective. Have your employer arrange for a fit test when you are provided with a new close-fitting RPE, and at least annually, USA, in Canada every 2 years. Complete the positive pressure seal check and the negative pressure seal check to be sure there is a good seal before each use. Perform a visual check to ensure the RPE is clean and in good condition. Be clean-shaven to get a proper seal for close-fitting RPE, otherwise, you will need to wear a powered air purifying respirator. Looking after your PPE. Wash and dry rubber and silicone respirators after use. Do not wash the cartridge and be careful not to damage the valves. Look after your respirator by storing it in a sealed container. Store your RPE in a clean, dry place, away from dust, oil, and sunlight. RPE should be stored so that it does not get crushed. Check it regularly for signs of damage.